How to generate images on Perplexity AI? Well, generating images on Perplexity AI is a feature primarily available to Perplexity Pro subscriber. It allows users to create custom visuals directly within a chat thread using models like DALL-E 3, Flux, or Playground. So proceed to open up Perplexity AI either on the web or on the application and make sure you are signed in. Now here you can type in this way. If you haven't, here on the chat, make sure you sign in and select generate image of a boy of a cartoon kid playing. I'll say it this way, and then I can send the prompt. Now this way, it'll create a cartoon image of the kid playing. Now, however, to get more advanced image generation features and more of it, you'll have to get the Pro version. So it's simple and easy. All you gotta do is you'll have to give a prompt on the chat, create a chat, and then give it a prompt, and it'll create an image. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.